Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how to use iMovie at the green screen. Go ahead and open up iMovie, create a new movie. Go ahead and create movie at the bottom, and you'll get your blank timeline. The first thing you have to put in is you need to put in the picture that you want in your background. So I'm going to go to Photos, and I'm going to go to Pick a Photo and hit the plus button and drop it in. Then I'm going to move the playhead to the beginning of my photo, and I'm going to go to Video and find the video of me in front of the green screen. Okay, once I've found it, I'm going to tap on it, and you'll see that there's three little white buttons. If you click those three little white buttons and you hit green screen, it drops me in on top and it puts the background behind me. And that is how you can use the green screen without using the app. A couple other quick features I'm going to show you is I'm going to drop in another video, and there are three other features you can get with those three little white buttons. Okay, the first one is I can go ahead and go to Picture in a Picture. Here's a picture of my dog and I. If I hit the three buttons and go to Picture in a Picture, it drops it right in there. If I tap on the picture, tap on the little compass up here, I can drag it and I can make it go anywhere. So that's Picture in a Picture. The next one is if I do this, hit the three little buttons and go to Split Screen, it'll split it in half. That screen was already split, but you can see that if I click on the picture and I use these arrows up here, it'll split it either way. And the last one is a cutaway, and that is if you're talking about something, say you're talking about a product or something you're going to do, and you want it to just cut away from yourself and go to a picture of the product or of the thing. You click on it, you hit the three buttons, you go to cutaway, and you can move this however you want, make it shorter, longer, move it around. When the video is playing, right here, you can see it cuts away to that picture, and then it goes right back to the video. So those are three features that are really, really fun to use. Four features actually: cutaway, picture in a picture, split screen, and blue and green screen. If you have any more questions on how to use this or anything with iMovie, don't hesitate to stop and ask me. Thank you.